how difficult it is to remove negativity from your life. Now, this is a glass of water. Now, if I have to remove this, let's say this is your brain and it has that much of negativity right now. What do? Now, this is a glass, it's easy to throw this water, right? But can you throw this thing from your mind? Check it out. I can assure you, if right now I ask you, recall certain events in your college, you will not be able to recall more than 2 or 3 happy moments. But you will definitely remember 2 or 3 incidents of your life in college which happened which were negative. Negative, once goes in, doesn't come out. And I'm sure in everybody's life, 90% plus things which are happening is positive. And we get so much impacted by that negative that positive have no scope left. This is just hardly 10 ml of water, so I just put it across. To remove 10 ml, I am putting so much of positivity for you, okay? This is the positivity I put around it. Now observe it, I have just put 250 ml. Now what do you see? After putting 250 ml, somebody said in college, you are a dumb guy. Now after reading 20 books also, you still feel you are dumb. Let's put more. And I keep on putting till now, let's see. Almost half a liter gone. Now half a liter, what happens? See? Still he believes that he's a dumb guy. Now let's put more positive. Let's you meet more positive people. Let's say you keep meeting positive people. Now what happened? It's almost now 800 ml gone. Still the traces are still left. If I put exactly 1 liter, what will happen? I'll show you. See, now it is clean. I think now I can drink. I'm trying to tell you a very serious thing in a very simple way. Be careful with whom you are meeting. Be 1,000 times careful with whom you are listening.